Don't say that.
Well, I've had, but
Just a second. I'm just going to take my sweater off.
Okay.
What? Try by yourself.
Okay. I never knew I could do it by.
Just do 1 foot at a time. You start off with 1 foot, darling.
Remember, start off with 1 foot for about a second.
The other one.
Oh, well, doesn't matter.
No, can you go?
Oh,
Come on then, can I sit over here? Let him do it.
Oh, okay.
It's alright. He wants to have a go. Come on, darling.
Because I don't know how I'm going to start this.
That's it. That's it. That was good, that was.
You didn't have both feet.
That was good, though. At least you did a good push
start.
off.
Yeah, good start off.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Balanced.
Yeah, but you got to pedal.
When
in
you
order
pedal,
to
then you
balance.
naturally start balancing, darling.
So, Sag, put that pedal, that side, just a little bit higher.
Okay.
You can do it at the top. That's it. Spot on. That's it. That's it.
That's it. Keep going.
Yay!
Yeah.
What? I can't believe it. I can't believe it. That was amazing.
Well done, you superstar.
How do you do that?
Come on then. Do it again.
Do it again then. Come on.
Remember?
So start with it a little bit higher.
Little bit up.
I'll put that on.
That's it.
He's just determined, isn't he?
Come on, just push yourself.
I bet he could have done this ages ago if we let him, you know.
That is awesome. That is awesome, Saga.
I think he hasn't really got used to stabilising, so
I think I don't like it with stabilizers.
Do you want to take
It
your jacket
slows
off
you
and have
down.
another go?
it slows
Yeah.
you down, doesn't it? Stabilisers slow you down.
This is great.
I can't believe it. I can't believe it. He just done it.
Yeah, you just don't. Oh.
It seems easier if you push yourself off rather than pedal yourself off, doesn't it, for you?
Everybody's different, aren't they? Until he gets his rhythm. Fabulous, well done.
Do anything.
When you just get used to it, it's easy.
That's cool, man.
He's something else, isn't he?
He is. I've never known anyone to cycle that
No,
quickly.
You fall off, you hurt
Yeah.
yourself.
Takes you weeks.
You get anxious, don't you? That somebody's holding you. And
That's what happened to me.
Yeah.
I couldn't do it.
yeah, same with
I
me,
just
darling.
fell over.
Same
Me.
with
One time
everyone
Mama
in the
was
world.
pushing me, and I thought he was still holding me. I couldn't have done it on my own. If I'd have thought.
That is amazing, son.
Saga Barker.
Now I'll be able to cycle to school. Did it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, a little bit more practice. Yeah. The roads are a bit busy, but yeah, a little bit more practice. Yeah, no bother.
If our road was flat, then we could practice on it.
Yeah, maybe we will practice on the road, actually.
I think it's good to practice here for the time being, you know? Just
Maybe
until
we
he
could
gets used
practice
to
on
it.
whole screen brown because that's quite.
Yeah.
I didn't quite cycle that far.
That was
Katie
brilliant.
can't cycle yet.
Go to.
Not properly.
Yeah, you can.
Can he?
Yeah, yeah.
I
He
thought
was.
Sarah said he couldn't.
No, that's Jake.
Oh, is it Jake? Oh, right.
What did she say?
No, Katie. Before. Maybe he can now.
Oh, that's all right. It's all right.
Okay, that
It's
happens.
okay.
Yeah, it's okay.
Did you hurt yourself, Beauty?
Come on then, up you get.
Come
Carry
on, get off your.
This is going to go onto YouTube. This is.
Is it?
Yeah. Then I can send it to your mum and my mum. You see.
Yeah. It's funny because I was talking to my brother yesterday about this, about him cycling. He says
So
he'll be
good,
fine
take-
once he can. I
take
said he's just
off-
not had enough practice.
Take off your jumper.
He's not had any practice really.
Do you want to help taking?
Can you take off my
Cool. That'd be better, wouldn't it?
Good. That's it. That's it.
Keep going.
Yeah.
Keep going
Can't
over the
you-
bumps. Don't
can't
come off
do the
it. Just carry on.
If you go quicker, it's actually easier. It's funny, that is.
Yeah, because then you go over the bumps without any problem. It's Good to have a bit of space in the garden to do it, isn't it? For him, it's all right. I think for you, it's not enough space in the garden, is it, Savannah? I can remember when you started.
I know. I'll go round here.
Mhm.
And I'll hopefully wait for.
Can I have a go in the garden?
Yeah. Do you want to go and get your bike?
Right.
Yeah.
It's nice and safe, isn't it?
Okay. Hold it.
What's up?
The bike is in.
Is it nice and comfy with the seat higher now?
Yeah.
And Daddy's put it down so it doesn't hurt you. That's good, isn't it?
That's how you get on. That's it. That's it. Spot on.
And then you just keep going. And that way you go over the bumps without any problem. Yeah, just give it a bit nice hard push. Just keep going. Keep going fast. That's it.
Go on then.
Yeah,
that's it.
That's it.
Yeah.
Keep going. Keep
Oh, nearly. Cool, man.
This is too.
It is bumpy
going.
there,
It's
isn't
bumpy,
it?
but
Yeah.
You've just got to give it a bit more
Maybe if you
force.
go do a bigger circle.
A bigger circle.
Yeah. So
Go
you
a
go.
bit further back and then round.
Then you'll have more chance to get over that bump a bit. I've never known anyone like that. To get. This is the first time he's cycling.
I know.
Ever.
First time he's ever had without stabilisers. I think we could have taken them off sooner, you know that?
Come on then, boy.
Don't you think?
Mm.
Yeah, girls, some people have those bikes without any pedals.
Look at this. That's it. That's it.
Keep
Cool.
going.
Cool. Cool.
Yeah, that's it. That's it. That's
Now
it.
start
Keep
turning.
round.
Oh. That was really good though, son. That was a good few cycles.
Yeah. He was amazing. I think if he had a clear path, he could just go for it.
And also on the grass it's harder. You have to put more effort in cycling.
Yeah, definitely.
Hello, beautiful.
You probably don't need your helmet, do you, darling?
You might as well put it on. You got it.
I just bought it because it was on here.
You've got a big bike.
Ah.
And we're gonna get a wow for.
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Definitely. I'll put it on the internet and I'll give you a link to it so you can show your school.
Daddy, just to tell you.
Probably won't be able to go on
Did
YouTube
you
and
send
stuff.
the pictures we did in the we took in the in Rainbow's Wood? Did you send it?
I think so.
What's
Yeah,
that?
because we can see. You know the pictures I took while they're there.
Are they? Oh, cool. Then they did send them.
On the school website.
Must be, if that's what Sagar's saying.
That's good, Savannah.
Ah, it's really hard on the grass.
It is, yeah. So that means Sagar's doing really well.
Yeah, I know. It's hard on the grass.
Got a nice big bike, Savannah.
It is a good bike,
It's
actually.
lovely. Sagar will get a nice big bike when he's old.
Yeah.
Because this is going to last Savannah forever, I reckon.
Yeah, I think we'll get him a good bike.
Yeah. And let him get to...
My one's really nice.
I think when Sagar's like 9, we'll get him a big bike as well.
So then
This one will probably be alright for a few years, won't it?
you going to give it another go, Gala?
Yeah. When did he go?
We tried to whip it. When we were doing bike training,
I can't take my hand off there. We went in a big
No, you don't want to try that just yet. Get a bit better before you do things like that, Sagar. You only just learnt 5 minutes ago.